speak way too fast.
It's because we think our job is to be the smartest person in the room, and it's not. Our job is to help the person, the organization, the group that we're working with make a decision. And if you really want to take that to the next level, your job is to help them make a decision irrespective of that decision is with you or not. The people that are making 7 figures a year in sales have a process where they're like, I want to meet with the right individuals. I want to learn about their current situation. I want to learn about their ideal scene. If I can help them, I want to be able to articulate and explain how I can help them in a very skillful and effective way. And if I can't help them, I want to be able to point them into the right direction to somebody that can. Okay, that's a big difference than I'm the smartest person in the room. All I have to do is tell 100 people a day how great we are, and 5 of them will buy. You can do that, and you can make okay money. But the people that make the real money, they've got a process and they slow down. And they have actual conversations. They don't have presentations. They don't have demos. They don't pitch. They talk.